Ted, why don't you join us?
Oh, hey, I'll be over in a minute. These guys are just wrapping up.
Mom, do we have freeze pop?
I get the grape one.
Wild afternoon.
You wouldn't believe.
I'll put your groceries in the trunk.
Because I could play the trumpet and the sax, but I don't have a trumpet or sax. So you gotta play it on the keys.
So these wide-pronged prints like that means that there's a buck here, and that is a nice size print.
Then we started working together, a pension system. Then we worked together on liquor. We worked together on legalizing medical marijuana.
Can you text it to me? Like, take a picture of it with your phone and text it to me.
Yes, hold on. Here, I just sent it.
Put this here. Come on. Stay with me. It's gonna be okay.
The day I woke up, it was like being reborn.
My homeowners, they're upset about their landscaping. Profits are flat. My crew is worn out. Hey, I was worn out.
I definitely want the corned beef brisket, and can I get a few burger patties? Huh? Patties?
No one else's dad is like this.